Hello guys, welcome back. Now in the last video we talked about HTML elements. Now let's continue on this video, talk about HTML attributes. Now attributes are they just add extra information or functionality to the HTML elements. That's what they do. Now let's put it in practice so we can understand. Now an HTML attribute has two parts. It has the name and the value, right? It has two parts, the name and the value. This and this. Let's put it into practice so we can understand. Let's just use a pre-paragraph and left, and now let's see align and left. Now this here, this is the name. This is the name property, and this one here, this is the value, the left. This is the value. This is the one that had the functionality. It tells the browser what to do. This is the name, and this is the value. Now the HTML attributes are always added on the opening tag, not the closing. You cannot put it here. And they are not case sensitive. Now uppercase A and lowercase a are still the same. It will still work. Now if we save this, I will come to the browser, refresh. You can see it's aligned left. That is the default. It's aligned left side. And also let's do another one. Let's say I am align center, and let's do another one. Say I am align right. Then we come here, say align center, center, and we come here again, we say align right, and if we save it, we come to the browser, refresh. You can see this is left, center, and right. You can see left, center, right. Now just as an example of HTML attribute, we can also use this on the same with let's say with an image, right? An image. Let's just use this image here. This help me. Mind you, the extension is PNG. I'll put this in the link in the description. Let's help me with the name of file, and the extension is PNG, and then we save it. Come here, let's refresh. You see it appears, right? Now if we want to add some HTML, now this here, this is the name attribute, and this is the value attribute, right? So, and we can also add some other extra attribute. Let's just say the width. You can say the width, set the width to 50, and the height we can also set it to 50. So now all these are they are all attributes. They add some extra information or functionality. Now this one adds some functionality. It's control the image. If we save it, we come here. Now you can see the image shrink the image. It has shrink the image to smaller than the usual one. And on attribute we have 4 core attributes. we have 4 core attributes, 4 core attributes. And these attributes, they are ID, from here, their ID, and we have the title, and we have the class, and we have the style attributes. These are the 4 attributes that are mostly used on HTML. Majority of HTML you will see now as we progresses. You will still use this one mostly, Now this here, this ID, this is used to target specific elements, and this one just had some extra information to the elements, and this one is also used to target, and this one is used for styling. Now let's put this in practice so you can understand. Now let's say this, let's use the ID first. Okay, I'll just delete this here. I'll delete this ID. No, let me just take this off. And let's just here, ID. Let's say paragraph 1, right? Now let's me open a styling here. Now let me just target this one here. Let me target this P1. I'll target it by using, what's the key? Hold on. So here, just a P1. And then this one we are going now to CSS. I'll just color text or just say blue. Just say. Okay. Now you see, it only affects only this one there on the left because we specifically target it. We specifically target it. This is, and let's use now the let's use the class so you can understand better. Now if we change this one to class, and then let's just erase this and say P1, and then let's come here again, class P1, and here, oh sorry, say class P1, and then we save, right? See the difference. Okay, hold on. You see, okay, here, because when you are using the ID, that's when you use the pound, or if you're using a class, use a dot. But on the next, on my other course, CSS, we will learn more about that. This is beyond the scope of this class. See, all of them now, they are now all blue. So the class is used to target more than one. And if we add here extra, let's say title, we have already used it before. I'll say title. Hey. Let's just say hey, and then we save it from here. Well, like you see, hey, it appears, right? See it. So that's the class. That's the this class attributes, and we have also dealt with the title. Now let's deal with the class. Now all this that we did, we can also do it internally here. Now let's just take this one off and take this. Let's delete this from here. It says style. Now we are using the style attributes. Style, I'll say color, and I'll say, let's say this time I'll say green. Save. You can see it changes. So it does the same thing. Either you do it like this is the internal one, or you do it to another, the external, it does do the same thing. We use it more as we progresses. So just so you understand that this, as if you know this one, you will be able to understand better, because this are mostly used in the HTML. We mostly use these ones. And now let's also talk about internationalization attributes. For internationalization attributes, we have three internationalization attributes. We have the DF, we have the language, and we have this also XML language, right? Now this is just to this is to show the direction of the text. This is the language to show the language of the the HTML file. Like, let's try to understand. If we come here, you say dr, and then you say, let's say left, right to left. You save. You see everything now starts on the right to the left. This is for the Islamic country. You see, so that's what that one does. If you say the left to right, this one is the default one. We come back to the original one. Come back here. You see, so that's what that one does. And the language, this other ones, this other one we use here. This language is used to set the language. Both of them are used to set the language. And we can come here to see language, and we just see English, just EN, and then we save it. So when the browser reads it, it knows that, oh, this language is English, or you can either your country language, either Arabic and Spanish, so on and so forth. This one does both of them does the same thing. So I guess we have already exhausted everything that we need to know about HTML attributes. Now, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when we drop new videos. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next lecture.